Hey everybody, welcome back to the iPad Help Desk. Today we're just going to be talking about a couple tips for you guys to use while using your iPad, and that'll include multitasking gestures as well as creating folders and stuff like that. So come on over and we'll show you. One multitasking gesture that really saves time on your iPad is the 5-finger swipe up. What happens when you do a 5-finger swipe up is it brings up a little taskbar with all your recent apps. So for instance, if I was on an application and I wanted to get back to something that I just did recently on another application, I could use the 5-finger swipe up to get to that app. As saying, I can get back to my other app, just as simple like that. The next thing that's really cool for a gesture that is in applications is a 4-finger swipe to either side. What this does is it takes us through apps that I've used recently. So as you can see, it'll take me through a couple different apps, and then when I'm done, I can also go back to my original screen. This just kind of helps me to save time while I'm moving in between two apps. Another really cool gesture is the 5-finger close. So say that I want to close an application very quickly, all I have to do is slide in, and there it is. That's just a cool technique and application. Another thing that's really cool is creating folders. To create a folder, what you're going to do is you're going to click on an icon until it starts to wiggle and has an X. When it starts to wiggle, you're going to drag it onto another app. When you drag it onto another app, it should immediately create a folder for you. As you see, what folders do is they take applications that are similar and group them together. So for instance, my iPad realized that these were two education apps, and so therefore created a name called the education folder. Now I can change the name to be whatever I want it to be. Say that these are two apps that I use in psychology class, I can change it to my psychology folder. Regardless, it's going to create a folder, and I'm going to have my apps organized and easy to access as soon as I get there. We hope that you guys will use these tips and tricks, and we hope to see you guys soon. Catch you later.